How to download Minecraft on PC and laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to One Click Finances. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can download Minecraft in your PC or laptop. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is you'll need to head over to Minecraft.com. So search for Minecraft.net, my bad. And after you're on Minecraft.net, what you'll have to do is head over to this games option. Tap on games. After you do that, here you'll find go to downloads option right here. Tap on go to downloads and there you'll find download for Windows option. Click on download for Windows. After you do that, an exe file that is Minecraft installer will get downloaded. Open that up. Give it permission. So let's wait. There we go. Now accept the terms and conditions and tap on install. So it can take some time to install, but after Minecraft launcher installs, you will have to log in into your account. And after you log in into your account, you should be able to play Minecraft. And it's basically that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.